Hello lovely people, welcome to the All About DIYs 200 channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining us today, and if you've been here before, thank you for checking again. So as you can see from the title, today's video is about the hairstyle called Some Gaps. I'll be showing you how I was able to do mine. The pictures are from when I did this style about 2 months ago, and I'll be showing you the most recent one I did because that's the one I recorded. So stay tuned, and I'm sure that you'll be able to do it by yourself by the time you're done watching this video. So here are the items that you need: thread, scissors to cut the thread, beads to decorate the hair, elastic bands to hold the beads in place, the hairbrush, some water and oils that you need to make the hair soft. Okay, so here's how to prepare the thread. Depending on how long your hair is, my hair is a little over 12 inches long. I simply made double threads of about 37 inches length and tied them a knot at the tip. Now, I did not use the whole of this length on my hair. This was just how much length I cut them into, and you will see how much was left at the end of every installation. So if you wanted to do this on your own, you would need to first have washed your hair and detangled it and then made it in parts, in sections. In my own case, my hair was already washed in my old mini twists, and I'd oiled this generously already with my shea butter and olive oil mixture. And since it was already parted in sections, all I did was untwist the mini twists, brush, detangle it, and then made each section as the some gaps. So here's the process. Starting with the tangled, well moisturized section of hair. For easy hold of the base of the hair, I did a very short, very small 2-strand twist, just about 5 to 6 passes, as you can see. Then wrap the thread around the base of this section about 5 to 6 times. This is to secure the thread at the base. Please make sure it is firm but not tight, because if it is tight, it can give you a headache. After that, you then wrap the thread round the rest of the length of the hair, leaving some big gaps as you go. This is where the style name Some Gaps came from. At the end, tie 2 to 3 knots to secure this thread at the tip of the hair. Here's a slow motion of how I tied the end knots. Next, to install the beads, simply pass the tip of the excess thread through each of the beads, as many as you want to put on, and move the beads up to the hair. Now carefully cut the excess thread, making sure not to cut the tip of your hair. To secure the beads in place, move down the lowest bead and fold the tip of the hair over like you see me do in the video. Then use the elastic band to secure the bead in place along with that hair tip that you folded over it. Once that is done, gently pull down the remaining beads to their place, and there you have it. The hair is done. Nice and easy. Please make sure you watch till the end, as I'll be sharing with you the benefits of having this style and the different ways that you can rock this style. I also do a little bit of dance modeling at the end. I must say that this hair has given me the most hair-related compliments I've ever gotten, both from males and females, from Africans and non-Africans. And you can make this hair for yourself, you can make this hair for your children, for your nieces, your children of your friends. You can put colorful beads on the ends of their hair as well, and the hair is beautiful. You can do it on yourself. You can put wooden beads for yourself, golden beads, white beads, black beads, any color you please. The beads help us to give weight to the hair and makes it not to shrink too much when you finished doing the hair, and it makes it last longer and look really nice when you're carrying the hair. There's a whole lot of benefits with doing this hairstyle. First of all, it's quick to do. Secondly, it is low manipulation, so it's a very good protective style. Once you're done, you're done. You're not going back and forth to do the hair again for the rest of the 2 weeks that you're leaving it on for. And by the way, it stays me for 2 weeks plus if I want it to stay longer. Also, it's easy to spray water or leave-in conditioner to refresh the hair in the morning, or you can spray your hair teas. Those people that have some hair teas sprays, you can spray that before you go to work. Also, it's easy to access the roots of your hair to apply any hair care products or growth treatments that you want to apply when you've got this hairstyle on. Another benefit is that it's easy to wash your hair on wash days whenever you've got this style on, because it's already detangled and in sections, so you're able to put the shampoo down to the base, wash the scalp as much as you want, and then wash it and take away the threads later. Also, it's easy to loosen the hair, because all you need to do to loosen the hair is to cut the thread at the tip and simply pull it along and pull it away, and it comes right off from the hair. And last but not least, it's a very beautiful hairstyle that will give you compliments from everybody that sees it. I can guarantee you that. People will turn their heads and say, wow, your hair is beautiful, especially if you put beads like me. People always compliment the hairstyle because it's different to the wigs, it's different to the braids, it's different to the Ghana weaving and all those kind of hairstyles that we normally carry on our black natural hair. So I think it's something that you should give a try. Those pictures you saw at the beginning of the video where I was wearing white were from when I did the hair previously, and this was after 5 days of having the hair on. I had not sprayed any moisture after I'd done it at this point, and it was just me rocking the hair and just showing off the hair. So yeah, well, I hope that you've really enjoyed yourself watching this hair tutorial, and hopefully you'll be able to do this by yourself. If you wanted to, you can watch it over and over again just to see how and get yourself used to doing it. Okay, please let me know in the comment section if you tried it, and specifically how many people gave you compliments for this your beautiful hairstyle. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't yet subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have yourself a very happy new year. Bye.